So let us start the session. Today we are going to discuss about maths term 1 sample paper test number 3, which was conducted yesterday. So let us start with the first question. The decimal representation of 15 by 400 will terminate after 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 3 decimal, 4 decimal. I already told you that you have to check whatever the rational number is given, whether it is written in simplest form or not. So first of all, 15 upon 400 is not in the simplest form. So we have to divide it by common factor. Common factor is 5. So ये हो जाएगा 3 by 80. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now here you have to see the denominator, that is 80. And the prime factorization of 80 is 16 into 5 hota hai. So 2 to the power 5 into 5. So now I told you that the highest power you have to see. What is the highest power here? 4. So it will terminate after 4 decimal places. This is the shortcut way. In what I told you, that how to identify that how many places, after how many places it will terminate. अगर highest power, suppose हम लोग का 2 into 5 to the power 3 आ रहा denominator में, right? So 3 places के बाद होगा. Suppose हम लोग का 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 6 आ रहा है. So how many places, after how many places it will terminate?
6.
6. Very good. So here the correct option is D. Right. So now we are moving toward the second question. If 6 cot theta plus 2 cosec theta is equals to cot theta plus 5 cosec theta, then cos theta is dash. So first of all, we will shift cot theta to this side and cosec theta to this side. तो cot theta यहाँ पर आएगा तो minus हो जाएगा. So 5 cot theta and 2 cosec theta, if you shift to this side, it will also will become minus. So we'll get 5 cot theta is equals to 3 cosec theta. Okay, now what is cot theta? Cos theta.
Cos theta upon sin theta.
Right. And cosec theta?
1 upon sin theta.
Right. 1 upon sin theta. So sin theta we can cancel. Now bring 5 to this side. So we'll get cos theta is equals to 3 upon 5. So the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 3. The quadratic polynomial p of x with minus 24 and 4 as a product and one of the 0. So 4 is one of the 0 of this polynomial. So let alpha and beta be the two zeros. And what is given according to the question? Alpha into beta is given. And let us alpha is given 4. एक 0 दिया हुआ alpha ले लिया. So beta will be equals to 1 minus 24 by alpha, that is minus 24 by 4. So we'll get the another ratio, zeros is minus 6. This is clear. Now we have to find the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta. 4 plus minus 6, you will get minus 2. Now product is already given in the question and we got the sum. So this is the formula, x square minus you can write k into x square, लेकिन k का फॉर्म यूज तभी करना है जब हम लोग को फ्रैक्शंस में अगर जीरोस होगा तो, right? So x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So x square minus of minus 2, that will become plus 2, and minus 24. So this is the final answer, and the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 4. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 99x plus 127 are dash. So here what is the sum? Sum.
Plus 99.
9.
Sum of I'm talking about sum of zeros.
Minus 99.
Minus 99. And the product of zeros?
Plus 127.
Right. Okay, fine. We'll come to the product of zeros. Product of zeros यहाँ पर नहीं वो PSF का बता रहा हूँ. PSF. This is product. Product is plus 125. P is plus 127, not 125. And S is plus 99. ठीक है. सो प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव है, दैट मीन्स इसके दोनों जो फैक्टर्स हैं वो दोनों प्लस होंगे या तो माइनस होंगे, राइट? नाउ हु विल डिसाइड? द सम विल डिसाइड. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes. Yes.
राइट. अभी ध्यान से देखो, अगर हम लोग उस फॉर्मूला की बात करें सम ऑफ जीरोस का, सो अल्फा प्लस बीटा, यहाँ पे हम लोग को -99 मिल रहा है, राइट? एंड अल्फा इंटू बीटा वी आर गेटिंग +127. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू से कि दोनों का साइन सेम है and we are getting here minus the sum of zeros, that means both should be negative. Clear? प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव है तो या तो दोनों नेगेटिव होगा तो दोनों पॉजिटिव होगा, लेकिन सम यहाँ पर माइनस है, सम ऑफ जीरोस, सो दैट इज व्हाई बोथ आर नेगेटिव. दिस इज क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, sir.
Right. So option B is the correct answer. This is the sum of zeros and product of zeros, both are positive, so both zeros. एक minute, sum of zeros is negative ना, is negative and product of zeros is positive. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा करेक्शन कर लेते हैं, अदरवाइज थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन होगा, क्योंकि ये जो मैं इसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से लिखा था, राइट? अब ठीक है. ओके, सो एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
Right, now we are moving toward the next question. If A is equals to 2 to the power 3 into 3, B is equals to 2 into 3 into 5, and C is equals to 3 to the power n into 5, and the LCM is given 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5. So we have this one, and the LCM is given this one. That means the highest power of 3 should be 2, and the highest power of here other than this 3 to the power n is 1 only. Okay, दोनों में 1 है देखो, so this must be equals to 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
अगर इसको हम लोग इक्वेट करें इसके साथ में, if we equate, we'll get n is equals to 2, and the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right? So now we are moving toward the next question. The LCM of the smallest 2-digit composite number and the smallest composite number is dash. Smallest composite number is 4 and smallest 2-digit composite number is 10.
10.
Okay, now we have to find the LCM between 10 and 4. The LCM between 10 and 4 is 20.
20.
And the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right? Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 7. If a letter of English alphabet is chosen at random, then the probability that the letter is a consonant is. So we have total 26 alphabets, and out of 26 alphabets, 5 vowels are there and the remaining are consonant. So how many consonants are there?
21.
21. So the required probability is 21 by 26, and the correct option is
Option C.
option C,
C.
right? So now we are moving toward the next question. Consider the equations P plus Q is equals to 5 and P minus Q is equals to 2. Which of these are the values of P and Q? So what we have to do, first we have to solve these two equations. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation, and if we add these two, we are getting 2P is equals to 7. So P is equals to 7 by 2, that is 3.5.
5.
So 3.5 यहाँ पे एक ही ऑप्शन है, so मैं तो immediately यहाँ पे टिक कर दिया. No need to find the value of Q. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise you can substitute. P is equals to 3.5 in this first equation. So 3.5 plus Q is equals to 5. So Q is equals to 5 minus 3.5, that is 1.5. Hence the correct option is option B. Right. So इतना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है एग्जाम में, मैं तो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ इसलिए समझा रहा हूँ. यू हैव टू सी डायरेक्टली. ओके, मतलब P का वैल्यू आ गया, उसके बाद टिक कर देना है यहाँ पर. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Graphically, the pair of equation 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0 represents two lines which are, so first a1 6, b1 minus 3, c1 plus 10, a2 2, b1 minus 1, sorry b2, a2 is 2, b2 is minus 1 and c2 is 9. Now we will find a1 upon a2, so we are getting 3 upon 1. b1 upon b2 is also 3 upon 1. Right, this is also equals to 3 upon 1, and c1 upon c2 is 10 upon 9. So what we are getting, these two are equal but c1 upon c2 is not equal, so that means the equation has no solution and the two lines are parallel, correct?
Parallel.
And the correct option is option
Option
D,
D.
right? So now we are moving toward question number 10. The point P12 divides the line joining of A and B in the ratio. So let the ratio be case to 1. Okay, so now we can take any one, either x coordinate you can take or either y coordinate. So 1 बहुत easy है, 1 से multiply करना. So we'll take 1. Okay, so now m1 into, see, m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 upon k plus 1. That is k x2 plus 1 upon k plus 1. Okay, now substitute the value here. That is, this is 7 and this is minus 2 and x is 1. Now we are, if we cross multiply, we are getting k plus 1 is equals to 7k minus 2. Right, now shift k to this side, minus k, and minus 2 to this side, it will become plus 2. So 6k is equals to 3. So k is equals to 3 by 6. Final answer 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Right, and the correct answer option is the first one, 1:2. Next question, point 43 lies on the line. First, see, ये तो हम लोग को क्या करना है, सब्स्टिट्यूट करके चेक करना है कि whether you are getting whether it's satisfied or not. So 12 21 it is not satisfying, 28 6 not satisfying, 12 12 24. So यहीं पे मुझे मिल गया, ठीक है. So 0.43 satisfy the equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 24 only. So we can check also, LHS is 3x plus 4y. So 3 into 4 plus 4 into 3 is 12 plus 2. Well, that is 24. That is equals to RHS. Hence 43 lies on the line 3x plus 4y is equals to 24. So option C is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward the next question. In triangle LMN and triangle PQR, angle L is equals to angle P, angle N is equals to angle R, and MN is equals to 2 times QR. Then the two triangles are, see, if two corresponding angles are equal, that is similar by AA similarity criteria. And the two corresponding sides are not equal, एक छोटा और एक बड़ा है, so definitely ये congruent नहीं होगा. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. Two triangles are similar by AA similarity but not congruent as corresponding sides are not equal. So option B is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward question number 13. Center of a circle is at -1 3 and one end of a diameter has coordinates 2 5. The coordinates of the other end. Okay, so center जो है वो midpoint होता है diameter का, right? So O is the center of diameter AB. So O is the midpoint of AB, and the formula, suppose the coordinate is xy, ठीक है, coordinate is xy, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ xy. So इन दोनों का midpoint क्या होगा, 2 plus x by 2, y plus 5 plus y by 2, and that is equals to this coordinate. This is clear, this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you cross multiply, you will get -2 is equals to 2 plus x, and here 6 is equals to y plus 5. Now shift this 2 to this side, -2. So we are getting x is equals to -4. If you shift 5 to this side, you will get -5, and we are getting y is equals to 1. So -4, 1 is the final answer. And which is the correct option?
Option A.
Option A, right. Now we are moving toward question number 14. Sides of triangles are given below. Which of these is a right triangle? Right. अभी देखो 4 और 3 के साथ में 5 होता है, तो कैंसलेशन यूज कर रहा हूं मैं. राइट. 4 3 के साथ में 5 होता है एंड 8 के साथ में जो ट्रिपलेट जो बनता है वो क्या क्या बनता है? 8 15 17 होता है एक्चुअल में. 8 6 10 भी होता है, बट 8 12 14 कभी नहीं होता है. Otherwise also you can check 64 plus 144 is not 196. Now here also 7 5 24, ठीक है. 7 5 24 ये भी गलत है, क्योंकि इन दोनों का जो स्क्वायर है, सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर, दैट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 24. 49 plus 25. So only one option is left, which is the correct one. Right? All right angle triangles should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So we are getting 34 square is equals to 30 square plus 16 square. That is 1156, 900 and 256. So both are equal. So sides of right triangle are 34 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Hence the correct option is B. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now 15th question. The points A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle which is dash. So we have to find all the three sides. So let us start with the first side. AB, -5 -0 whole square, 3 -6 whole square ka whole root. So this will be 25 and this will be -3 square, 9. So root 34. Next AC और BC. AC निकाल लेते पहले. 3 -0 whole square, 1 -6 whole square. Right? So we will get 3 square -5 whole square. That is 25. So 9 plus 25 is root 34. तो दो साइड यहाँ पे इक्वल मिल गया. तो ये इक्विलेटरल भी हो सकता है, इसलिए थर्ड साइड चेक करना पड़ेगा. So BC निकालते हैं अब. 3 minus of -5 it will become +5 whole square and 1 -3 whole square का whole root. So this will be 8 square 64 -2 square 4. So we are getting root 68. ठीक है. अभी देखो इसका स्क्वायर जो है इन दोनों के स्क्वायर के बराबर, सम के बराबर है, बट राइट ट्रायंगल का ऑप्शन यहाँ पे नहीं है. सो इसलिए जो ऑप्शन है उसके हिसाब से हम लोग यही डिसाइड करेंगे कि दो साइड्स इक्वल है. सो दिस इज आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
No, sir.
राइट. सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. अच्छा, इस क्वेश्चन में एक प्रॉब्लम ये था कि पेरीमीटर का रेशियो पूछा और ऑर्डर नहीं दिया हुआ इसमें. सो इसलिए मैं लास्ट में क्या किया, ये दोनों आंसर टिक कर दिए. ओके. A triangle PQR is similar to another triangle ABC such that area of triangle PQR is equals to 4 times area of triangle ABC. That means area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle ABC is 4 upon 1. Now we know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the sum of is equal to the square of the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So we are getting PQ square upon AB square. This is equals to. Now take square root here. Okay. So we are getting PQ upon AB is equals to 2 upon 1. Again we know that the ratio of perimeter. Okay. Ratio of perimeter is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. So perimeter of this two triangle is also equals to 2 by 1. अब यहाँ पे ऑर्डर नहीं दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हो सकता है कि एक्चुअल में ये ट्राइंगल फर्स्ट है. देखो क्वेश्चन में जो दिया हुआ है, दिस ट्राइंगल इज फर्स्ट, दिस ट्राइंगल इज सेकंड. सो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज थे कि एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल को पहले लिखना है कि एबीसी को पहले लिखना है कि पीक्यूआर को पहले लिखना है. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
राइट. इसलिए मैंने ये दोनों को करेक्ट टिक कर दिया है बाद में. सो अभी फिलहाल तो मेरे हिसाब से 2:1 आया. इफ यू रिवर्स इट यू विल गेट 1:2. एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
राइट. ओके फाइन. सो मैं 2:1 कैसे आया, क्योंकि ये पहले ट्राइंगल लिखा हुआ है और ये सेकेंड ट्राइंगल. ठीक है, फर्स्ट सेकंड, सो फर्स्ट इज टू सेकंड, वो सोच के मैंने किया। लेकिन बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल ये वाला लिए और सेकंड ट्रायंगल ये वाला लिए, तो उसके हिसाब से क्या हुआ, 1:2 आ गया, राइट? प्रसून, प्रसून है क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, तुमने ट्रायंगल एबीसी को पहले लिया ना?
Yes, sir.
राइट, इसलिए 1:2 आया, कोई बात नहीं। चलो, नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड सेक्शन बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 17। द लार्जेस्ट नंबर विच डिवाइड्स 70 and 125, लिविंग रिमाइंडर्स 5 and 8। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई कि क्या निकालना है। लार्जेस्ट नंबर डिवाइड्स 70 and 125, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड, वन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय, yes, one number divisible by many number LCM, many number divisible by one number HCF। तो यहाँ पे देखो two number divisible by one number, that means you have to find HCF, right? तो पहले नंबर को डिवाइड करने से 5 रिमाइंडर आना चाहिए और सेकंड वाले को 8। तो ये क्या करेंगे हम लोग, दोनों में से हम लोग ये सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे। सो 70 - 5 and 125 - 8 रेस्पेक्टिवली लिखा हुआ है। So we are getting 65 and 170, okay? So we will find HCF of these two numbers and that is nothing but 13। कैसे आया? क्योंकि 65 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 5 into 13 और 117 is 9 into 13, that is 3 into 3 into 13। Now only one factor is common, so HCF is 13 and the correct option is option A, right? Now we are moving toward the next question. The value of A for which the pair of equations has infinitely many solution, right? तो यहाँ पे we know that the what is the condition of infinitely many solution?
A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2.
Very good. A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. Now A1 is 10 and A2 is 20, so 10 upon 20 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर। B1 is 5 and B2 is 10, so 5 upon 10 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर। C1 is minus of A minus B, क्योंकि इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे हम लोग, upon minus A, right? So this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
So ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया, देखो ये दोनों का रेशियो 1:2 है। So we will equate 1/2 with this one. Now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get A is equals to 2A minus 10. Now we will shift 2A to this side, so minus 2A. So ये हो जाएगा minus A is equals to minus 10. That is A is equals to 10. Hence, which is the correct option? Option C, right? Now we are moving toward next question, question number 19. If one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3, then the value of k is dash, right? So first of all, we are taking this as a p of x, right? And it is given that minus 3 is the zero of this polynomial, so it will satisfy, okay? That is p of minus 3 is equals to 0. So we'll substitute x is equals to minus 3 here, ठीक है? तो ये -3 का होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 9 and this will become minus 3k plus 1. Now open this bracket also, 9k minus 9 minus 3k plus 1. Now see, this 2 will become 6k and minus 9 plus 1 हो जाएगा minus 8. Now shift minus 8 to this side, it will become plus 8. And finally we are getting k is equals to 8 by 6, that is nothing but 4 by 3. And the correct option is option A, right? So now we are moving toward question number 20. If x is equals to A, y is equals to B is the solution of these two equations, then the values of A and B are respectively. So we have to solve these two equations. So first you add these two equations, then you will get 2x is equals to 6. So x is equals to 3, right? अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग x a है, तो a is equals to 3 आ रहा है, तो that means we cannot take directly, तो हम लोग को y निकालना पड़ेगा. So substituting x is equals to 3 here, so we are getting y x 3 plus y is equals to 4, so y is equals to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So hence x is equals to a is equals to 3 and y is equals to b is equals to 1. So the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right? So now we are moving toward question number 21. The product of two numbers is 320 and their LCM is 80. HCF of the number is dash. So we know that HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. And here LCM is given and the product of these two numbers is given, that is 320. So HCF is equals to 320 by 80. So एक zero cancel कर लो, so 32 by 8 4 होता है, and the correct option is option B, right? Now the next question, question number 22, 6370 is equals to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n into 7 to the power k into 13 to the power p. Then the value of m plus n plus k plus p is dash. So इसका factorization करना पड़ेगा. तो factorization करें, start करें. 6370. First you have to divide it by 2. So कितना आ रहा है? 3
3180.
3180 5 आएगा ना, ठीक है. 3185, right? Now this number is not divisible by 3, so we'll divide it by 5. So 6 3
5.
7.
7, right? So again this number is not divisible by 3 and 5. We'll go for 7. Yes, 7 से divide हो रहा है. 7 से 91 आ रहा है. फिर 7 से divide होगा. 13.
13.
Right. So that means 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 2 into 13 to the power 1. Right. अब हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे इसके साथ में. सो कंपेयर करोगे तो m का वैल्यू 1 मिलेगा, n का वैल्यू 1, k is equals to 2 and p is equals to 1. This is clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Now the sum of all this, what we are getting, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1,
5.
5. Right. So the correct option is
Option D.
option D, right? Now we are moving toward question number 23. In figure, two line segments AC and BD intersect each other at the point P such that PA is equals to 6 centimeter and PB is equals to 3 centimeter, PC is equals to 2.5 centimeter, PD is equals to 5 centimeter, angle APB is equals to 50 degree and angle CDP is equals to 30 degree. Then angle PBA is equals to dash PBA, this angle. ये angle find करना है, right? So first of all we will prove that these two triangles are similar. वो कैसे prove करेंगे देखो. See 3 by, देखो ध्यान से, BP by PC, ये वाला. This is 3 by 2.5 and AP by PD 6 by 5. The ratio of these two are equal. ठीक है, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे दोनों को तो सेम मिलेगा 6 5. So these two ratios are equal and these two angles are also equal, vertically opposite angle. So that means these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
SAS similar.
Right, very good. SAS similarity. Now that means angle A is equals to angle D. तो ये आ गया 30 degree. Right. Now we have to find the angle B. How will you find? Angle sum property
Angle
of,
sum property of
right.
triangle.
So in this triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle P is equals to 180 degree, and we have angle A also and angle P also, that is 30 plus 50. So we are getting 80. If you shift right inside, you will get angle B is equals to 100.
100.
Right. And the correct option is
Option D.
option D, right? So now we are moving toward question number 24. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2y square plus 7y plus 5, write the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So first of all, we will find sum of zeros. What is the formula of sum of zeros?
Minus
Minus
2
2 by
Right. So minus 7 by 2 we will get. And what is the product of zeros?
C by A.
C by A. So we'll get 5 by 2, right? So now we'll substitute the sum and the product here, okay? So we'll get minus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So दोनों का denominator same है, so we'll add the numerator. So minus 7 plus 5 by 2, that is minus 2 by 2, and we are getting minus 1. And the correct option is option B, right? So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 25. The ratio of the areas of two similar right triangle is 9:16. The length of one of the sides of the smaller triangle is 15 centimeter. How much longer is the length of corresponding side of the larger triangle from the smaller triangle? ठीक है. So we know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. ठीक है. तो इसका corresponding side में x ले रहा हूँ. ठीक है. So that means 15 square जो रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज है that is 9/16, that will be equals to 15 square upon x square. This step is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now take square root. If you take square root, we'll get 15 upon x is equals to 3 by 4. अब थोड़ा से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. ये हो जाएगा 60. 3 को नीचे शिफ्ट करो और x को इधर शिफ्ट करो. So we'll get x is equals to 60 by 3. That is 20.
20.
Right.
20.
ओके फाइन. तो ये तो x आ गया. ये पूछा है हाउ मच लॉन्गर, कितना वो बड़ा है उससे. तो हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा, 20 और 15 को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सो 5 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी.
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 26. A boat can row 1 kilometer with stream in 10 minutes and 1 kilometer against the stream in 20 minutes. Against मतलब upstream हो गया और with stream मतलब downstream हो गया, right? So let the speed of the boat in still water be x and stream का y ले लेते हैं. So downstream में the speed will be x plus y and in the upstream it will be x minus y. ठीक है. डाउन स्ट्रीम में डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है, टाइम दिया हुआ है, राइट? एंड वी नो दैट डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू टाइम. सो 1 अपॉन एक मिनट, ये अब डाउन स्ट्रीम का है. सो 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 10 मिनट्स नहीं लिखेंगे, 10 अपॉन 60 आवर लिखेंगे. दिस इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
तो x plus y is equals to 6 हो जाएगा. Let it be equation number 1, right? And the next one is 1 by x minus y is equals to 20 minutes है, 20 by 60. So again this will be cancelled. पूरा ही cancel करो 3 से. So x minus y is equals to 3. Now adding these two equations, y cancel, 2x is equals to 9. So x is equals to 4.5 kilometer per hour. So only x निकालना, बोट का स्पीड निकालना. So we'll stop here and the correct option is D. Any doubt in this question?
No.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. D and E are respectively the points on the side AB and AC of a triangle ABC such that AD is equals to 3 centimeter, BD is equals to 5 centimeter. This is 3 and this is 5 and this is BC is 12.8. Right. And DE is parallel to BC. So we have to find DE. तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे हम लोग, दोनों ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर प्रूफ करेंगे. These two angles are equal. Why?
Corresponding angle.
Right. And these two angles are also equal. Corresponding angles. So these two triangles are similar by asymmetry. Right. So their corresponding sides are proportional. So AD by AB is equals to DE by BC. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
AD is 3.
Yes.
What is the length of AB?
8.
8.
8 centimeter.
Right. So 3 by 8 is equals to DE by 12.8. So 12.8 को हम लोग इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. So 12.8 जो है वो 8 से कैंसिल हो रहा है, 1.6. Right. So DE is equals to 3 into 1.6, that is 4.8 centimeter. And the correct option is
Option A.
option A, right? So now we are moving toward question number 28. A box has 10 equal size cards. Out of 10 cards, 4 are blue, 3 are green, and 2 are yellow, and 1 is red. If a card is randomly drawn from the box, which is the color that the card is most likely to have? जिसका ज्यादा नंबर है,
ब्लू।
ब्लू है, राइट। तो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज करने के लिए क्वेश्चन ऐसा दिया हुआ है। मोस्ट लाइकली वही होगा जिसके ज्यादा नंबर कार्ड्स हैं, ठीक है। सो सिंस आउट ऑफ 10 कार्ड द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स आर ब्लू ओनली, दैट इज 4, so the card is most likely to have blue color, so option C is the correct answer. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we are moving towards question number 29. The point on the x-axis which is equidistant from -4 0 and 10 0. Okay. So let the point P on the x-axis is x0. उसको P ले लेते हैं और ये दोनों को A और B ले लेते हैं, ठीक है। इसको A और इसको B ले लेते हैं and this is P. So AP is equals to BP और AP square is equals to BP square. अब स्क्वायर इसलिए लगाएं क्योंकि रूट नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा। अब AP square will be x minus of -4, that is +4 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square. Next x minus 10 whole square, next one 0 minus 0 whole square. So यहाँ पे तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, इसको छोड़ दो, and the expansion of this one is x square plus 8x plus 16, and this one x square minus 20x plus 100. So again x square we can eliminate, minus 20 को इधर शिफ्ट करो, plus 20 हो जाएगा, and plus 16 को इधर शिफ्ट करो, minus 16 हो जाएगा. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
So 28x is equals to 84. So x is equals to 84 by 28. We'll get 3. Right. Hence the point on the x-axis is 3 0. And the correct option is
Option B.
option D. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now alternate method. देखो ये भी x-axis में है, ये भी x-axis में है, ये भी x-axis में, तो equidistant मतलब वो मिड पॉइंट होगा, राइट। सो थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन पढ़ने, थोड़ा ट्रिक यूज किया करो। तीनों पॉइंट एक्स एक्सिस में, मतलब एक ही लाइन में, सेम लाइन, और ये इसका इस दोनों से इक्विडिस्टेंस मतलब मिड पॉइंट हो गया। सो नाउ फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट। -4 plus 10/2 that is 6/2 3, 0 plus 0/2 that is 0. So we are getting 3 0. कौन सा मेथड इजी है? ऑल्टरनेट मेथड। तो वही है, थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करते हो तो एक बार देख लिया करो। तो ये तो हम लोग का स्टैंडर्ड मेथड है, बट ऑल्टरनेट मेथड, शॉर्टकट मेथड यूज करो एमसीक्यू के लिए, राइट। सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. इफ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पॉइंट्स 4P and 1 0 is 5, then the value of P is dash. So डिस्टेंस इसका निकाल लेते पहले, 4 minus 1 whole square, P minus 0 whole square का होल रूट इज इक्वल्स टू 5, या रूट नहीं लेना है तो 25 लिख लो, ठीक है। तो ये हो जाएगा 9P स्क्वायर। सो 25 इज इक्वल्स टू 9 प्लस P स्क्वायर, 9 को इधर शिफ्ट करो। सो P स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 25 माइनस 9 दैट इज 16. सो P इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस 4, राइट, क्योंकि ये डिस्टेंस नहीं है, ये कोऑर्डिनेट है, कोऑर्डिनेट प्लस नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, राइट। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी। किसी को कोई डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
राइट। नेक्स्ट, ऑल द डायमंड कार्ड्स ऑफ फेस कार्ड। फेस कार्ड्स के डायमंड्स कितने होते हैं? 3. एंड एस कार्ड, डायमंड कार्ड्स ऑफ फेस कार्ड एंड एस कार्ड। तो कुछ लोग क्या सोच रहे थे कि एस कार्ड पूरा चारों निकाल दिए, राइट। सो ऑल द डायमंड कार्ड्स ऑफ फेस कार्ड एंड एस कार्ड, ये दोनों के डायमंड कार्ड्स को निकालें, are removed from a pack of 52 playing cards. The remaining cards are well shuffled and then a card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting a face card. So first of all, total number of cards are 52 and we have removed 4 cards. So left 48. Now out of 48, how many face cards are left?
9.
9. So the required
9.
probability is 9 by 48. and the correct option is option C.
Option C.
This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question.
Yes, sir.
The points A 90, B 96, C minus 96 and D minus 90 are the vertices of dash. 1 मिनट, अगर इसको हम लोग अभी हम लोग को स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस, ट्रेपीजियम तीनों आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट, यू हैव टू फाइंड ऑल द 4 साइड्स एंड द डायगोनल्स, राइट. तो ऑल्टरनेट मेथड क्या है, देखो यहाँ पे x कोऑर्डिनेट दोनों का सेम है और इसमें भी x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है दोनों का. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो द ऑल्टरनेट मेथड. इसको प्लॉट कर लो जल्दी से, ज्वाइन कर लो. व्हाट यू विल गेट?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
सो ये ज़्यादा कम टाइम बचाएगा, ज़्यादा टाइम बचाएगा कंपेयर टू दैट मेथड, डिस्टेंस फार्मूला मेथड. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now the next question, case study question. First, Raj is an electrician in a village. One day power was not there in entire village and the villagers called Raj to repair the fault. Okay. After thorough inspection, he found an electric fault in one of the electric pole of height 5 meter and he has to repair it. He needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. So this is the figure. Now based on this, so let us start with the first question. When the ladder is inclined at an angle alpha such that root 3 tan alpha is plus 2 is equals to 5 to the horizontal, find the angle alpha. So first of all, what is given that I am going to write and shift 2 to this side, it will become minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Now 3 divided by root 3. It will be root 3, right? And that is tan 60 degree. So if you compare the angles, you will get alpha is equals to 60 degree. And the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right? So now we are moving toward the next question. How far from the foot of the pole should he place the foot of the ladder? That means you have to find DC, this one. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए BD निकालना पड़ेगा. The total length of the pole is given. See, this length is given 1.3. This is 1.3. And ये वाला full length pole का 5 है. So 5 minus 1.3 करेंगे तो BD निकल जाएगा. That is 3.7. Now we'll take this triangle. This is the opposite side and we need to find the adjacent side. So which ratio you will use?
Cos theta.
Opposite, adjacent, tan theta.
Tan theta.
Right. In this triangle, tan 60 degree is equals to BD upon DC, and this is root 3. Okay, the value of root 3 is also given. So root 3 is equals to 3.7 upon DC, and that is equals to 1.73. So DC is equals to 3.7 upon 1.73, which is approximately equals to 2.14. And the correct option is option B. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now the next question, in the above situation, find the value of sin alpha cos alpha by 2 minus cos alpha sin alpha by 2. So the value of alpha is 60 degree, right? So alpha by 2 30 हो जाएगा. तो अगर substitute करेंगे तो ये मिलेगा. अगर ये clear है तो फिर आगे बढ़ें.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is, what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Cos 30,
Root 3 by.
right.
3 by
Cos 60,
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Sin 30,
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
right. We'll substitute all the values. So this will become 3 by 4 and this will become 1 by 4, right? And that is 2 by 4. And the final answer is, when you simplify, you will get 1 by 2. And the correct option is C.
Option C.
Option C, right? So now we are moving toward the last question of this case study question. In the above situation, if BD is equals to 3, suppose 3 centimeter, 3 meter कर लेते हैं इसको, क्योंकि पोल है ना, and BC is equals to 6 meter. So find the value of angle alpha. So this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio you have to use?
Sin theta.
Sin theta, right? तो sin alpha हो जाएगा BD upon BC, and BD is 3 and BC is 6. So 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Sin 30.
Sin
30 degree, right? So alpha कितना हो जाएगा? 30 degree. So the correct option is option B.
Option B.
Right. Now the next question, next case study question. Raghav was enjoying driving the car on Sunday. He went to the park and temple, then returned home. He was standing outside his home and then tried to find how many times the wheel of the car moved in a certain time. He measured the diameter of the wheel of the car and he formed some questions for his son who is in class 10 to solve. So let us start with the first question. Raghav measured the diameter of his car's wheel and found it to be 84 centimeter. The distance traveled by the wheel in one revolution is dash. So that is equals to circumference. Okay, 2 pi r, and r is given 84. 42, because this is the diameter. 84 centimeter is the diameter. तो इसका radius हो जाएगा 42. So 2 pi into 42 is equals to 84 pi centimeter. So correct option? Option A.
Option.
Right. Now next question. He observed that an average speed of a car in front of his house is 45 km per hour. The distance traveled in 1 minute is dash. So first of all, distance covered in 1 minute is 1 hour is 45 km is given. So 1 minute के लिए कितना हो जाएगा? 45 divided by 60 km. Right? So, but the answer it is in meter. So you have to multiply with 1000. So this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. एक काम करते हैं, ये दोनों को कैंसिल कर लेते हैं. ठीक है? 15 3s are 15 4s are. And 1000 we can cancel it by 4, 250. So 3 into 250, that is 750 meter. And the correct option is option
Option B.
B. Right. Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 29. The number of revolution made by the wheel in 11 minutes is. ये ऑप्शन मैंने चेंज कर दिया है. 31, 32, 18, 25 लिखा था मैंने, तो उसको 3125, 3200, 1800, 2500. जिस किसी स्टूडेंट का अगर इसमें मार्क्स कट हुआ है तो यू कैन ऐड 1 मार्क्स. ओके, सो नाउ डिस्टेंस covered in 1 minute we got 750 meters. So 11 minute में होगा 11 into 750, that is 8250 meters. So this is the total distance, and we know the formula number of revolution is equals to total distance upon circumference, right? And circumference is 84 pi centimeter. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 84 pi को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे डिवाइडेड बाय 100, और वो 100 ऊपर चला जाएगा. ठीक है, पाई का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया 22/7. दिस स्टेप इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we have to simplify this. If you simplify, if you divide this one, you will get 3125 revolution, and the correct option is A. Right. So now we are moving toward the last question of this paper. If the circumference and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the diameter of the circle is dash. So that is 2 pi r is equals to pi r square. So pi cancel, and you can cancel 1 r also. So you will get r is equals to 2. So if radius is 2, the diameter will be 2 into 2, that is 4 units. And the correct option is B. Right? Any doubt in this section?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the last question of today's session. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.